Good morning, students. In the same chapter, accounting equation, sometimes we are asked to calculate total assets, opening capital, closing capital, and profit or loss. So, some basic formulas to calculate these are assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. As we all know, it is our accounting equation based on duality concept that assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. From the same formula, if we want to derive capital, that will be calculated as assets minus liabilities. Again, from the same formula, if we want to know the liabilities, then assets minus capital will be equal to liabilities. The other formula is total equity. Total equity means total investment in the business. Total investment can be either by the outsiders or insiders. When insiders invest money, that is owner's equity. When outsiders provide money to the business, that is creditor's equity. So total equity is equal to owner's equity plus creditor's equity. Next, profit. The profit is calculated with the formula closing capital plus drawings minus additional capital minus opening capital. The reason we are adding drawings and deducting additional capital is that we are taking closing capital as the start. हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं प्रॉफिट को कैलकुलेट करना है फ्रॉम द क्लोजिंग कैपिटल, तो हमें उल्टा चलना पड़ेगा. अदरवाइज़ अगर ओपनिंग कैपिटल हो, हमें क्लोजिंग तक पहुंचना हो, तो हम ओपनिंग में ड्राइंग्स माइनस करते हैं, एडिशनल कैपिटल प्लस करते हैं. बट अगर हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम क्लोजिंग कैपिटल, देन हम ड्राइंग्स को ऐड करेंगे, एडिशनल कैपिटल माइनस करेंगे. So profit will be calculated as closing capital, add drawings, less additional capital, less opening capital, and the difference is profit. Next is closing capital. Students, how we can get closing capital? If we have opening capital, we'll add additional capital because additional capital increases the capital. Then we will add profit if profits are there, because profits also increase the capital. But if loss is there, that will be deducted because it reduces the capital. If we have drawings in the question, so the drawings will also be deducted from the capital and will arrive at closing capital. Now I am taking illustration number 10th, students. In this question they are asking total assets of the business are required to be calculated from the following information. In this information, we are provided with capital, creditors, revenue earned for the period, expenses incurred during the period, and closing stock. So, students, as we know, assets are always equal to liabilities and capital. We want to know the assets. So, firstly, we'll see the liabilities. Liabilities are rupees 3 lakh, that is creditors. Then capital is opening capital, we have 4 lakh, and we know the profit. The profit will be calculated as revenues minus expenses. Revenues are 7,50,000. We'll deduct expenses of 2 lakh. We'll get the profit of rupees 5,50,000. So the liabilities are 3 lakh and capital is opening capital, which is 4 lakh, add profit, which is 5,50,000, making total capital is equal to 9,50,000. So students, we have liabilities, we have capital. Now we can easily calculate the total assets. Total assets are equal to liabilities plus capital. Liabilities are 3 lakh and capital is 9,50,000. So by adding this, we get 12,50,000 as total assets. Now students, I am going to take up next question of back exercise, that is question number 28. So 28th question, we are required to find out closing capital and profit or loss incurred in the business. We are given in the question opening capital, which is 25,000. We have taken loan from Sham, that is 12,500. This loan becomes the liability of the business. Then we are given additional capital 12,500, drawings 7,500. Students, we are given closing assets also on closing date, which are 75,000. Now we know assets are always equal to liabilities and capital. Assets are given closing assets 75,000. We are given with closing liabilities. Because there is no change in liabilities, so liabilities are the loan from Shyam, that is 12,500. We are to find out closing capital, which will come out as assets minus liabilities, that is 75,000 minus 12,500, which is 62,500. Next, students, we know closing capital is equal to opening capital plus additional capital minus drawings plus profit in case we have profit less loss in case we have loss. So we are given with the closing capital, that is 62,500. Then we are given with opening capital 25,000, additional capital 12,500, drawing 7,500. Add profit or deduct loss. Now we are given everything except profit or loss. So students, profit can be calculated as 62,500 minus 25,000 minus 12,500 plus 7,500. It will give us the amount of profit, that is rupees 32,000. Thank you, students.